According to the World Health Organization, in 2020, about 2.3 million women were diagnosed of breast cancer and 685,000 died globally. Good day everyone, and welcome back to Nurses Lecture Room YouTube channel. My name is Miss Mary, popularly known as the Nurse with the Difference, and I make learning easy and accessible for students. Today we are going to be talking about the various ways we can prevent breast cancer. You can see the World Health Organization record. 2.3 million women were diagnosed of breast cancer, and we all know that breast cancer could be deadly if not attended to promptly. Before we go into details about the prevention of cancer, if you are new on our YouTube channel, please click on the subscribe button, turn on the notification button so you don't miss out. Let's go there. Alright, welcome back. Like I earlier said, today I'm going to be sharing with you 7 key points when it comes to cancer of the breast prevention. The first I have to share with you, and I believe we all are familiar with this, it's for ladies, women in general, to reduce or limit their alcohol intake. Reduce what? Reduce or limit the alcohol intake, because alcohol and also smoking has gone a long way and they are being related to breast cancer in women. So as a lady, you have to limit your alcohol intake and also limit smoking or stop it. It's advisable you stop it if you can. Then the second thing I have to share with you is exercise. Always learn to exercise properly and daily. For those that are always staying inside the house under AC, no exercise, nothing is burning, is inside the house 24/7 and they feel its enjoyment, it's really bad. So to prevent breast cancer, you have to exercise yourself daily, at least 30 to 40 minutes, 6 times a week, 5 times a week. It's advisable. Just ensure you exercise your body daily. Then the other point I have to share with you is diet. Feed your body nutritiously. Don't focus more on canned food. You have to take food such as vegetables, fruits. They help to go a long way to boost your body immune system. So learn as much as possible to take enough fruits. To eat well, eat healthy. It's not all about eating, but are you eating healthy? Are you eating nutritiously? So to prevent cancer as a woman, as a lady, you have to You have to eat nutritiously. Let me go back to what I said. The first one I said is limit alcohol and limit smoking. The second one I said was diet. You have to work on your diet. That's the third one, sorry. The second one was for you to exercise as much as possible. Then the third one I spoke about was diet. Then the fourth thing I have to share with you in regards to breast cancer prevention is that obesity. For those that are very fat, try as much as possible to cut down your weight, because for the obese patient, they are at risk of going down with cancer. Generally, when you are very obese, you are very fat, you are prone to a lot of things. You are prone to respiratory problem, you are prone to cardiovascular problem, you are prone to diabetes. So it is advisable you cut down that fat. I know you like your body like that, but for health reasons, it is advisable you cut down the fat so you can stay healthy and free yourself from cancer. Then the next point I have to share with you is know your family history. It is very important. Don't neglect it, because research has shown that people that have breast cancer, there's a history. Most of them, they have history. Is it that their mother has it, their grandmother have it, their great-grand? There's a history, that there's a lineage of cancer in their family. So if you know your family history, you will be able to know, oh, I am predisposed, so I avoid certain things, I will avoid certain food, I will always exercise. So it is important for you to know your family history, to know if 1 or 2 persons in your lineage had breast cancer or had cancer at all, for you to know what to do. Then the other thing I have to share with you is get screened. As ladies, it is advisable you get screened monthly. It is advisable you do your self breast examination. Examine your breast for lumps, examine it preferably after your menses. Always examine your breast because early detection helps to prevent more damage. You get. Then also yearly checkup, mammogram. You can go to the hospital, do a mammogram. It's not going to cost you anything, especially those that have the family history. It is advisable you do that. Then the last I am going to share with you is always spend time with friends. Always go outside. Don't always stay indoors. Have fun with those that increase your self-esteem. Have fun with those that say positive things about you. Don't let negativity thrive within you. So always go outside with family, take fresh air, enjoy yourself, and be happy. Because most people that are sad, most people that are stressed out, that are sad, that are always having this negative feeling about themselves, they have low self-esteem, they keep thinking about themselves, they are not happy, they are predisposed of going down, their immune system is even weak. So you just have to be happy. When you are happy, you tend to live healthy and you tend to live joyfully. Is that what I wanted to say? Yes, you tend to be happier, you tend to be smarter, you tend to be more intelligent, and you tend to be great. So the best thing for you to stay around, the best people for you to stay around is to stay around positive people, is to stay around family and friends that value and cherish you. So these are the various signs, these are the various methods you have to adapt to help you prevent breast cancer. I don't want you to get on with breast cancer, so you have to do what I tell you to avoid what? Breast cancer. And we know, according to World Health Organization, 2.3 million women were diagnosed of breast cancer in the year 2020. Don't be among those women that will be diagnosed of breast cancer in this year 2021. Thank you very much for staying tuned. Thank you very much for watching our video. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to share with a friend if you got value. For those that are nursing students that have not registered for our nursing and midwifery class, they've not registered for our Telegram platform, sincerely, you don't need a sister to tell you. The fact is you are missing a lot, because with our classes you have access to all our voice notes, cardiovascular, respiratory, all the systems you can think of, even community health, research, management. We have voice notes for all of them that simplifies these lectures for your understanding. And we have a platform where we can drop our questions and the admins provide answers for you as simple as possible. Thank you very much. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section. See you in our next video, and for the nursing students, see you in class. Bye.